So we're going to do some fried rice today, some vegetable fried rice, but not any old fried rice. I'm calling this the ultimate vegetable fried rice. There's a huge amount of different vegetables in there. There's a big selection with some absolutely wonderful flavors. Healthy, vegetarian, and it's vegan. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So let's take a look at the vegetable selection that I'm using. Now you can use any selection of veg that you want. I've got here, these are about a cup each. So everything's about a cup each apart from the green onions or spring onions. So carrots, cauliflower, onion, green beans, broccoli, green peas, bell peppers, okra, celery. About a cup each. And then about a tablespoon of ginger and garlic. And then we have our rice. In there I've got 5 cups of basmati rice, which is cooked. Now, you may have heard me say this a million times before. If you're a regular to the show, I always prefer to use cold rice. Hot rice and warm rice I don't think fries that well. This rice was cooked yesterday and has been in the fridge. Let's get moving. Okay, so you're going to need a wok, a frying pan or something, you know. I'm using this regular wok that I'm using at the moment. In there I've got about 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using a corn oil and the heat is on really high. We're getting that nice and hot. Now, you've seen the vegetables, you've seen the rice. We're going to add a few other bits. So I'm going to drop in 1 dried chili. And then here I've got some star anise and some Szechuan peppercorns, which are completely optional. You don't have to put them in, but they do give you a lovely flavor, you know. So yeah, there's the Szechuan peppercorns, which are slightly different than regular peppercorns. We're going to go now, it's really hot. We're going to go 1 cup onion. 1 tablespoon of garlic. 1 tablespoon of ginger. So maximum heat all the way. We're going to add a little bit of salt and some regular black pepper powder. And then we're going to start adding our hardest vegetables. So in my case, it's celery, green beans, carrots, cut them nice and small actually, and cauliflower. We're going to stir fry this around for 3 to 4 minutes on this high heat. Keep it moving pretty much all the time. Now, I like a nice crunch on my vegetables, so you might want to cook your vegetables a bit longer. But we're now going to go in with the balance of the vegetables, which is a cup of broccoli, garden peas or green peas, bell peppers, and okra. In they go. Another 3 to 4 minutes of stirring all the time. We've got an abundance of absolutely wonderful vegetables there, cooking away in that garlic and the ginger. Really fabulous. Okay, I did show you this earlier. An optional extra, I'm going with a nice handful of cashews in the mix. So maybe a cup of cashews maybe. Now we're going to go with our rice, our cold cooked rice. I'm using basmati white rice. Now what's important is that we actually fry the rice. It's called fried rice. I often see this, people put this in, throw it around for a minute and go fried rice. We actually want to fry it. Now if we get some browning or even blackening on that rice, I'm super happy. That's going to give it a lovely, lovely flavor. So 5 minutes or so of frying. See you then. Isn't that looking fabulous? So I want you to listen to that. That's your rice frying. You need to be there. It's really beautiful. Like I say, it gets a little, it's catching just there. Can you see here? That kind of blackening, browning. Do a bit of that in there. It adds fantastic, lovely flavors. We're going to turn off the heat. We're going to go in with those little bit of green onions, spring onions, or scallions, whatever you call them. And then I've got 3 more things I'm going to add. I'm going to add a little bit of chopped cilantro or coriander. I'm going to add some sesame seeds, maybe a tablespoon there. And then some sesame oil. Really lovely, intense, nutty flavor just at the end for a beautiful, you know, really, really nutty, beautiful, intense flavor you're going to get from that in the mix with everything. That is gorgeous. Let me get that on a plate. And there she blows, what I'm calling the ultimate vegetable rice. I really love that one. Hope you enjoy that. You keep safe, you keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. We're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really, really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.